Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm in southern Colorado. I wanted to show you a really cool hot springs that I recently discovered. Most people call it the Hooper Hot Springs, but it's actually called the Sand Dunes Recreation Area. I've been here a handful of times and I like it a little bit more each time. This is the main pool area. They keep this giant pool at 98 degrees. There's a diving board and basketball courts, volleyball courts, and there was a couple of buses parked outside, so there was some kind of field trip going on. There's normally not this many kids splashing in the pool, but regardless, it was a wonderful day. The area that I like to go to is called the greenhouse. There's an additional fee to get into the greenhouse. I'll give you all the details about this place at the end of the video. So there's a really cool walkway that they've made out of shipping containers. And the greenhouse is a 21 and up area. So just adults, and this is where they serve the alcoholic beverages if you're interested. It's a little bit quieter because there are no kids back here. All right, now I'll bring you into the greenhouse. This is, they call that the steel box bar. That's where you can order food and drinks. And the food is actually really good here. I'll tell you more about that in just a minute. So the pools here, I'll kind of walk you through. The pools here, the temperatures range from 98 degrees to 111 degrees. And the pool that is 111 degrees is called the Coffin. I'll show you that here in just a second. My parents are coming to visit me next month, and I'm excited to show them this area because my parents actually own greenhouses, so this will be a cool little scenic spot for them. So here we're back at the steel box bar, and then we're coming up to what's called the Coffin, and I actually saved a guy's life in the Coffin. He was an older dude, dehydrated, and just passed out head first. And so I yanked him out of the water, and they called the paramedics. So yeah, no big deal. I saved a guy's life, you know. They've got a really cool, I guess it's considered the dry sauna, but they do put water on it to add some steam. And then that middle section there is, they probably keep that around 98 degrees because you can sit in there most of the day. So there's an outdoor area that you can check out as well if you wanted to do some sunbathing. And it overlooks the Great Sand Dunes National Park is back that way. There's actually little tiny fish in that stream right there. And then as I pan around, that's back to the main pool area where they got basketball and volleyball and all of that. And so yeah, you can sunbathe back here. All right, so I wanted to explain to you, here's the website, sanddunespool.com. These are the hours. You need to know they are closed on Thursdays for cleaning, which is quite important. So Sand Dunes Recreation Area, they get 4.6 stars on Google. You can see they're down there in the San Luis Valley, southern Colorado. And I'll show you here as well. They are about 200 miles south of Denver. It's about a 3.5 hour drive from Denver. But as long as you're making the trip, you might as well check out a couple of other spots that are really close. The first up is the Great Sand Dunes National Park, which is just about a half hour away. And then up here in the upper left-hand corner is the UFO Watchtower. That is a really cool spot, I hear. I haven't been there yet. I wanted to tell you what I know about the place. First of all, you need to know they are closed on Thursday because you don't want to make the trip and only to find out that they're closed. So the admission rates for the main area is $18 for adults, $12 for children, and as I mentioned, the greenhouse is 21 and up, and there's an additional $7 fee to get in there. They do offer some lodging. You can find out more details on their website, but they have cabins, they have RV sites, and they have tent sites. And as I mentioned, the food is really good. You can get food in the main area, which as far as I know is like pizza and burgers and stuff, but it's really quite good. And then back in the greenhouse, The menu, I think, is a little bit different. You can get like small plates type of stuff, which is even better as far as I know. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. If you are coming to the area, I made a video, I think it's called Top 25 Things to Do Near Alamosa, Colorado. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can check out more fun things as long as you're going to make the trip. Anyway, thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.